Welcome to e-commerce store in PHP and MySQL with Bootstrap. Friends, from this video, I shall begin to do my work over this slider. So for this purpose, this is our under construction theme. I go to my Notepad++ code editor, and this is the index.php page is open. So I am going to start my work right under the closing div. This is the closing div of navbar space navbar dash default ends, where this div ends, and right about the script tag starts, and right after the closing div of navbar space navbar dash default. So I make one more div start and div close, and assign it a class container, and I also assign it a ID on the name of slider. Now I comment it, container starts. I copy this comment and paste it at the closing div. Container ends. I make one div inside this div and assign it a class, call md12. Now I comment it, call md12 starts. I copy this comment and paste it at the closing div. Here I write ends. I make one more div inside it, div start and div close. And I assign it an ID, my browser. And I also assign it a class, browser space slide. Space data dash write is equal to double quotes browser. Now I comment it, browser slide starts. I copy this comment and paste it at the closing div. Ends. Now we make one OL tag inside it, order list. First I was making UL tag on order list, this time I am making OL tag. Now I assign a class to it. Class is equal to double quotes carousel dash indicators. Carousel dash indicator starts. Now I copy this comment and paste it at the closing OL. Here I write ends. Now I make one li tag. Data dash target is equal to double quotes my browser. And this my browser ID is being called here down inside this li tag. Hash id sign with the assistance of hash id sign. data dash slide dash 2 is equal to double quotes 0. Class is equal to active. I make one more li tag, li start and li close. Data dash target is equal to double quotes hash carousel. Hash my carousel, the other ID. I show you, I made this ID here. This is my carousel ID. Now this ID is being called here in second li. Data dash slide dash 2 is equal to double quotes 1. This time it is 1. Now I have duplicated it more 2 times. Here I write 2 and 3. I have changed the number 2 and 3. Friend, now I have come out of this OL tag, the closing OL tag. I make one more div. Div close. Now I assign it a class carousel dash inner. I comment it. Carousel dash inner starts. Ends. I make one more div inside this div. The div carousel dash inner, inside it I have made one more div and I assign it a class is equal to double quotes item space active. Now I have made one ing tag. Friends, now I show you that I have put some images. This is the main folder. Inside the ecom underscore store admin underscore area. So I double click over it. So friend, this is the slide images folder, slide underscore images. So I double click over it and you can see 1 2 3 4 4. These 4 images I have put inside this folder. So now I shall call these images here. Inside the img tag, img src is equal to double quotes admin underscore area, the folder name, slides, the folder name, underscore images backslash 1.jpg, the first picture. Now I make one more div out of this div start and div close. And I assign a class to it. Class is equal to double quotes item and the second img tag img space src is equal to double quotes admin underscore area backslash slide underscore images and the backslash second image 2.jpg. Now I come out of this div once again. Div start and div close and I assign a class to it item image ing tag space src is equal to once again the admin underscore area folder name backslash other folder name slides underscore images backslash and the third picture 3.jpg. Now I make one more div. Div start and div close and I assign a class to it, item img tag. Inside this div, src is equal to double quotes and the same two folder name and then the image name, the same method which have been used before. So friend, now I have come out of the closing div. This is the closing div of carousel-inner ends. This is the div carousel-inner starts and this is the end. So I have come out of this div. But friend, I think I should do this work in the next video. I am still inside the carousel slide div. This is the closing div of carousel slide ends, but I shall begin my work here above of it. But first of all, I think I should see some preview that what's happening here. So if I refresh the page, so now you can see that this kind of slider is being shown over your screen, but yet it is not automatically running. I shall do the remaining work over it in next video. So I see you in next video. Good.